Hello teachers, welcome back to Studio by EduSquad. Till today I have told you about how digital panels can transform your space or where to get them in a budget or how impressive they are. But today I have sat down specifically for teachers to show them how this thing can benefit them in 2024. See teachers, you already know about the size and the studio from our previous videos. But how to use it precisely so that it benefits you? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. To utilize your digital panel not only for your students but for your classroom also. So let's get started with this whooping 86-inch giant flat panel. If you're also one of the teachers who faces the problem of not being able to conduct or engage their students while lectures, then watch this video till the end, because I have bifurcated tools not only for teachers but by the subjects here. Like wow, so stay tuned. As you know from our previous videos, these digital panels are an all-in-one device and solution for teachers. I'm gonna begin with some basic features which can be used by all, and you're free to modify or customize them. It's not necessary, but it definitely supercharges your lessons as well as your videos or your hybrid coaching class. So let's get started. Features here I have is a with OPS panel. So the specifications and the tools and the features might differ a bit from the without OPS one, so you're gonna have to check with that. Firstly, I'm gonna show you quickly about the themes and the tools which are common for all. From this hardware looking icon, you just have to click on background in solid color, and from here you can choose your preferable background or the theme as per your wearing or preference or convenience, anything. I'm gonna go with a darker shade of lilac purple. Let's go with this. You also get a couple of more backgrounds like discipline background and teaching background. Discipline background comes with a lot of templates like sporty or this for the toddlers or this for the high schoolers, not high schoolers but mid schoolers. And with the teaching backgrounds, you get a lot of fun and customizable backgrounds which you can use in your specific story class or narration intellectuality classes. This can be used in that to make your class more engaging and interactive, and most importantly collaborative. Coming to the tools section, from here you get more than a couple of tools which can be used by any teacher. For example, we have a built-in clock, writing board, browser, magnifier, mask, timer and spotlight, and screenshot as well in this panel, which can be used by any teachers, and these are just made for simplifying just to ease the life of teachers as well as students while they are teaching. This is a quick toolbar, and this is the stylus, and this is from where you can adjust the consistency of your stylus, or you can change the pen, you can change the color of the pen, color of the font. And this is the eraser, and from here you can make a rough shape. This is for specific subjects, so I'm going to explain it later in the video. And from here, this option, you can move your screen. As I mentioned in my previous videos that this is an endless canvas, and we mean it. For example, I have written. Now if I click on this, I can simply move this upwards. You can minimize it and you can enlarge its size and you can move it, and this is surely in legitimate sense an endless canvas for you. Now the most hyped and the talked subjects and the most havoc creating subjects: math, chemistry, physics and English for some, not for me but for some. So let's begin with physics. Not like I'm fan of physics or something. Physics. While explaining the derivations or the formulas, or you are solving a complicated question, you can use these, and these, believe me, will simplify your two-way communication a lot on every different level, because through these the knowledge will not be limited to theoretical but it will be practical. I'll show you how. You can move a light bulb, power supply, slide rheostat, voltage meter, power switch, ammeter, resultant. For example, I am a physics teacher and I have to explain my students a simple electric circuit. What I'll do, I'll just drag on these three, and with the pen, look how easy, how collaborative, and this way your students won't bore out or won't feel physics as a mundane subject, and they'll genuinely take interest in studying if you will teach through these. How cool is that? This was physics. Now wait and watch what I have for the chemistry subject. I have the live beakers and flask. Seriously, beaker, flask. I have the elements of the periodic tables and wow, tripod, wood block, condenser, rubber pipe, alcohol lamp. Wow. Yeah, don't judge me for the solution here, but let me quickly resonate a equation here. We're just gonna take sink and beaker. For example, this is some ABC solution and it gets mixed with some XYZ solution or liquid, and then this way, if you'll explain chemistry, if my teacher would have explained me chemistry this way, I definitely would have opted for PCM in 11th, but it's okay, you can. Just like this, you have n number of very interesting tools and features in this column. Look, scales, you have alcohol lamp. The counting would be not on my fingertips, but this literally is very cool. Next we have maths. Yes, math used to be kind of my favorite subject. With maths, you have the formula recognizing feature in this flat panel. We have compass, we have ruler, protector, calculator. This and this thing. I'll start with the ruler because it's the easiest one. With this ruler, one cool feature is that you can increase or decrease the length. Also, you can rotate it vertically or horizontally. For now, I'm gonna keep it 0 and let's do 8 or maybe let's do 6 because that's what I have here now. Look how precise this is, and then move it out of the screen. Here you have a precise, simple, sleek, straight line for your mathematical equation, solution, surface area, volume, lines, angles. Not for the circles but for triangles. So this can be very useful. Next, this panel also gives you a built-in calculator so that you don't have to do that hush bush while you are in the class, while you are teaching a subject, while you're teaching a question and the link breaks in the between because of the calculator and equation and solution. This is the protector. Let's make the angle of say 45 degree. You also get a protector. Let's try to make an angle of 45 degree. What you have to do is just take it up to, as you can see it is visible here, 45. You just take it. What you have to do is just click on this tick option, like yeah, we are good to go, and there you have an angle B of 45 degree, my friend. Wow, voila. Just like this, you have a couple of more interesting and innovative tools which are useful for the math subject. Also, you can clear, you don't have to manually erase either from your palm or like this. No, you can just do it like this and whole of a page will be completely clear altogether. Next, we have a favorite subject of many, English. Yes, in English we have a 4-wire grid. This option right here is very useful for teachers because till 3rd or 4th standard we all have textbooks like 2-liners, 3-liners. It gets upgraded and then after 5th or 6th we get 1-liners after 4th grade, I guess. So it is very useful for teachers in schools or also coaching teachers, tuition teachers. You can get a good handwriting session. This is how we used to study, something like this. Okay, please excuse this, but this is very useful for that particular purpose. Or else English is usually through oration, it's verbal and genuinely requires a whiteboard only, which you have here. This, not this. So this was it, the bifurcation of features and specifications of a digital panel in the terms of subjects, which was kind of a very innovative video I just made. And it is very useful for teachers and coaching teachers because this has made life very simpler for a lot of teachers, and it will once you take the correct decision of buying a digital panel. Now, while you're installing a digital panel, the product definitely it matters, but more than that, what many teachers look aside is that many teachers do not eye on that point, is that solution or the service which gives you EduScore. EduScore gives you a solution based service. We give you a 15-day or whatever days training program of how to use the equipment, because this is a technical product. This was not the technical part I showed in this video. You need a precise training from a technician that how to use, how to operate this in real time when no one's around, you don't have any videos, anything. You have to teach them that product, so that is very important. And the size and the inclusions, the associated equipments, all of this we tell you at EduScore. So if you are planning to buy a digital panel, so take the right decision of buying it from a right company which is also very sustainable, that is EduScore Technologies. We are India's leading studio setup provider as of now, and well, our products quality will sweep you off your feet. While the quality of our product is very premium, the service will sweep you off your feet. So call on the given number on the screen today and connect with our sales team, and we will serve you with the best service. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope this was informative, and till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching.